Welcome to Tech Leveler, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to announce incoming calls on your iPhone. So when you turn this on, what can happen is that it'll announce who is calling you. For instance, you can have this on when you're using headphones or if you're on your Bluetooth in your car. So let's turn this on by heading first to our iPhone settings here on the home screen. Now in the main iPhone settings, we want to scroll all the way down until we get to the phone section, and then we want to tab into that. Now we're in the phone section. You'll see this allow phone to access section here at the top, and you want the last option here, announce calls. It's currently set to never, so let's tab into that. Now you have a few different options here in the announce calls section. The first being always, and you can see underneath here, always announce incoming calls when second generation AirPods and some Beat headphones are connected. You can answer a call without saying "Hey Siri." The second option is headphone and car, and again announce incoming calls when a headphones or a car with Bluetooth is connected. When the second generation AirPods and some Beat headphones are connected, you can answer a call without saying "Hey Siri." Then you have the third option of headphones only, announce incoming calls when headphones are connected. When a second generation AirPods and some Beat headphones are connected, you can answer a call without saying "Hey Siri." Or you can choose the last option, which is never, and no calls will ever be announced. So you can pick and choose which one you prefer. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.